Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So we've got this really interesting problem on surds today. The first thing we need to notice here is that each of x, y and z have essentially the same form, which is square root of a minus b minus square root of a plus b for some a and some b. Now squaring this expression gives us a minus b minus 2 square root of a plus b times square root of a minus b plus a plus b, which of course simplifies down to 2a minus 2 square root of a squared minus b squared. Now applying this to x with a equals to 12 and b equals to 3 root 7 gives us x squared equals to 24 minus 2 square root of 81, which is equal to 6. Similarly for y, using a equals to 7 and b equals to 4 root 3 gives us y squared equals to 12 and z squared equals to 2. And so x squared times y squared times z squared equals to 6 times 12 times 2, which is equal to 144. Now from the given expressions, we note that x is less than 0, y is also less than 0, and z is greater than 0. Therefore the product x, y, z must be greater than 0. And so x, y, z in this case is equal to square root of 144, which is 12. If you found the video useful, then please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.